Hi guys, welcome to this channel guys. So guys, here one question is called how we can generating traffic from SEO, which website is better? So today I can discuss one of the websites called Issue website. So this website is generating traffic from your website. So that is first of all this website is there. The website first of all login is compulsory important. The login will be what are the article you publish, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, PDF, anything will be accept. So in this issue article, so they will be show on to the Google. So people will be find out the particular content purpose. So there will be complete article submission purpose. In this article submission, how will help? First of all, the logic is called which you can publish your any kind of keyword will be using the option name is called particular things. So in this article, how we can express from this here? First of all, what are the content? What are the option we can first of all we can use this option will be here. So first of all, prepare the all content will be Word document and PPT or PDF. Anything accept. Suppose you want to show the PPT itself, we can submit by the PPT also, or we can submit by the PDF also. Anything will be accepted. But what are the parameters are required? We can add this option. Now I'm showing for two things, PPT and PDF. What is the difference by the PPT and PDF from Word document? So now we come into this one. When posting for in this, suppose PPTs are there here, open it, select your documentation, upload, see properly, listen here. What are the content you are uploading in this voice? Select it. And one more thing, when content will be posting time, page layout will be compulsory in getting for landscape option. So landscape will be compulsory mandatory fill. So that will be increase the size also will be most of the important. There is a completely readable purpose. So now here, copy this option. Now select where is your exact documentation. Go to the exact documentation. So that is the compulsory important. So here. So what are the documentation you will be submit here? You can selecting for the document will be in your particular option. So yeah. This will be where the exact recommendation. So you can check it out. Bring back and log problem solution, both are same. So where it is. In this, now click for publish. This article will be visible, proper URL structure, and this will indexing for your particular title and description. How to know this? Control F, title. The proper title will be using for searching astrology. Next will be using for description option. What are the description will be using? Proper SEO title description, mandatory field by using the content. What are the publishing content? That all will be we can showing for publishing options. In this keyword, we'll be generating traffic on your particular website. When people will be coming to this option, how people will be watching this preview, here coming to this option, same like click here. In this, any option will be clicked for here. So just we can load in this. What are the link will be here? They're showing the particular option. So this will be view live. When people will be live watching for this preview, how we can show the customer? They can read it, complete documentation, where you can click the link. They go to website. there is a mean by you can generating traffic for Word documentation. Is generating traffic for where? Word documentation to your website. So any hyperlink, don't forget. What are the link you can promote? The link will be promote your properly and promote this option. So that all will be, you can give this. What are the link you will be promote? All link will be promoting the particular option. So that will be most of the helping for particular URLs. So these are the parameters compulsory we can utilize on the particular website. Next one, we can submitting for the PPT submission for the next option. Go to publishing, upload. So select the documentation. Before uploading PPT, first you can check it out. The PPT option will be here. Are you using hyperlink or not? So compulsory people will be forgetting for hyperlink. So I'll show that small differentiation how it is happening for here. Link is working, link is working, link is working. Check it out, the link is working or not. Properly link is working. So top Indian astrologers here. Go back. Publishing. Should be maintained proper title description, compulsory important. That is the first priority in your particular each and every articles. Proper title and description. Give me the website link. Always don't forget the website link. A lot of people are forgetting for website link. After that, promotion and marketing, now click for publishing. These are the patterns will be follow here. Live URL will be checked. These are the options. So what are the content you posting here? That all will be publishing on your particular keywords. The content should be mandatory field to promote here. So now will be PPT, you can check. So here, what is the drawback? I'll show you. So everything will be here. This all will be template wise. This all will be template wise. So finally, we'll come into this option. If you come into this one here, see this one. In the PPT, small drawback is the link will be not working properly. In the Word document, properly working for link to will be click, they come into your website. So people come into details, they click here, show more, they come into this link, they will be open from here, click for this website. So there is a call in a description part, compulsory should maintain the link to the particular website from issue. So these are the policy will be follow, get the traffic on your website by using SEO off page issue article submission website. The final destination is called to generating traffic on your website option. So what are the article you are publishing? That all will be here. No limit. You can publish it and increase your traffic in a particular leading option. We have a lot of permissions are here, which is better than document is called what document is a better. When your submission time, page light will be oriented will be landscape option. Should be used and increase traffic from issue website. If any doubts about that website and traffic related, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.